Hello everyone, welcome to Cookbook. I'm Komal Bora Shah and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Shahi Paneer in a restaurant style. Bay leaf, ginger garlic paste, star anise, peppercorns and some cardamom, cumin powder, some butter, 200 grams of roughly chopped tomatoes, and then we'll have a half amount of onions, which is going to be 100 grams. And then comes in salt, some coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, some cream, and then we have some paneer and I've cut them into cubes, and then we have curd, Kashmiri red chili powder, kasturi methi, oil and some water. Let's begin with taking a pan. I'm going to add in some oil. In some oil. We'll wait for the oil to sort of heat up. Okay, then we're going to start in by filling our whole spices. First I'm starting with bay leaf. So now I'm going to bay leaf. And then 1 inch of cinnamon stick. 1 star anise. Some cardamoms. Some peppercorns, we'll add in some cumin seeds. Okay, fine. So once this is done, we're going to take in roughly chopped onions and put that in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to saute it and not overcook it. We're not going to let them be brown. Okay, then we're going to add in our ginger garlic paste. So once you know the onions have turned a little pink and transparent. So one formula that I've learned, okay, any of these Indian gravies, especially when it has onion and tomatoes in it, add in half cup of curd, and in this we're going to add in all our spices, which is going to be turmeric, okay, garam masala, coriander powder. Listen, this does 2 things. 1, we can put less cream, obviously because cream is fattening, it's not that good for your health. And number 2, when you add in your spices inside, the risk of burning them when you're cooking in the pan is reduced. Okay, so then we're going to add in so let's cook this. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to add in our roughly chopped tomatoes, around 200 grams of tomatoes. We're going to put this in. So as soon as we add in our tomatoes, we're going to make sure we put in 2 cups of water. And now we're going to let this cook for around 20 to 25 minutes. It's around 20 minutes now, and let's see if this is cooked. So you see the onions and the tomatoes are properly cooked. They're mushy and nice. Fine. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grind this to a very fine paste, and then that paste is going to be run through a strainer to a smooth and silky gravy. So let's begin. What we're going to do is the right time to pick up all our whole spices that we had added before. So I'm going to take out my star anise. what we can do is, we can just take out bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and rest we can leave it on. Okay, so we're going to take as much as we can because we don't really need them. Now our yellow gravy is done. Okay. Now we're gonna take in the pan again. Okay. You can add in anything at this point. You can add in oil, ghee, butter. I'm going for butter. Yeah. Okay. So once the butter is melted completely. So there's one more trick, okay? So whenever we see any gravy or dish that has a good layer of oil which precipitate on top of it, it is created like this. So what we're gonna do is, in the butter, we're gonna add in our Kashmiri red chili powder. Why Kashmiri red chili powder? Is because it gives a good color to our dish. Once it starts to cook, and once it leaves out the aroma, we're going to put in our gravy. And now on a moderate flame, we're going to let this cook. If you find your gravy to be a little thick right now, you can add in some water, but I think this is fine. Okay. Okay, so after this, we're gonna add in we're gonna crush that in. Okay, we're gonna add in some salt. I'm gonna add in half of the cream. We're gonna start adding in our paneer. I've cut them into cubes. And that's it, guys. Our Shahi Paneer is ready. I hope you do try this out and let me know how your experience was. And if you did enjoy my video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be soon back with another video. Until then, take care. Bye.